National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning.
Tallahassee, you surprised me.
Or coastal waters from
I didn't think you would issue anything, because you haven't issued anything all day.
nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklackney River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Mexico Beach, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Mexico Beach, from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
I need to set you to
p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 4:53 p.m. Central Standard Time.
I'm having a stroke.
Storms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles south
Why didn't you go?
St. Mark's to 6 nautical miles east of Apalachicola to 26 nautical miles northwest of Empire Micah Wreck, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves.
Tallahassee will give you a weekly test this week.
Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Empire Micah Wreck, Apalachicola, Cape San Blas, St. George Island, Marker 24 Margin, or St. Joe. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning.
Who?
Or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklackney River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklackney River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Mexico Beach, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, Mexico Beach, from 20 nautical miles until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles northwest of K Tower to near St.
Imagine if the 167 actually went off for once.
Of Empire Micah Wreck, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Apalachicola, Cape San Blas, St. George Island, Marker 24 Margin, or St. Joe. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Die.
The National
Die.
in Tallahassee has issued a special
Die.
warning for
And die. Just kidding, don't die. Definitely make this work. So all I need to do is just place it between.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jackson County in Florida, northwestern Seminole County in southwestern Georgia until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 8 a.m.
You
Central
only
Standard
included
Time.
one county. Why issue another one?
26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 7:26 a.m. Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Mariana, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Why?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Why didn't you go?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding,
I was in the middle of moving this thing here. I got this.
Tulare, Hornsville, Buena Vista, and Mobile. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: Jackson, Florida, and Seminole. Georgia.
Shut. There's a stroke. No.
These are
Oh, tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Jackson County.
We haven't gotten one of these in a
Florida,
long time.
Central Seminole County in southwestern Georgia until 9:15
This
a.m.
isn't an SVR.
Time, or 8:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At
I'm waiting.
8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard
I'm waiting.
Time, or 7:30
I'm waiting.
a.m. Central Standard
I'm waiting.
Time, a severe
I'm wait-
thunderstorm
No.
capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northeast of Marginal.
Stop issuing these capable warnings. Issue one when there's actually a tornado.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact.
Is it 420 again?
Debris will be dangerous to those
No,
caught
it's
without
6.
shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Donaldsonville around 9:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Steam Mill, Desser, Bascom, Greenwood, Davis Park, Little Hope, Mila, Lovedale, Kington River Churn. Take cover now.
Why aren't you two going off?
Move to a basement or an interior room.
I don't like how you two aren't going off.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the
It wouldn't make
closest
sense
substantial
if you guys were
shelter and
on
protect yourself from
multiple,
flying debris.
because multiple has
Repeating,
Jackson.
a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: Jackson, Florida, and Seminole, Georgia.
What?
The National Weather Service.
Hey, we got a first tornado warning on this one.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has
Hey, this is
issued a
enough.
severe thunderstorm.
With a twist. Oh, this was a shoe. What? Okay.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe
See, I knew that would
thunderstorm
work.
warning for southeastern
I knew
Jackson
you were saying
County
it would
in
work.
Florida, northeastern Calhoun County in Florida, northwestern Gadsden County in Big Bend, Florida, north central Liberty County in Big Bend, Florida, until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 8:32 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Bloodstown, moving east at 25
Oh, no, you
miles
didn't
per
go.
hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chattahoochee, Alsa, Rock Bluff, Oshisi, Selman, Arden Heights, Chasson, Union City, Henderson Mill, St. Creek, Willis, Sycamore, Alliance, Macedonia, Florida State Park, Roy, River Junction, and White Pond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: in Florida, Calhoun, Gadsden, Jackson, and Liberty. The following broadcast is a special weather statement. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to
it's a marine
Apalachicola,
warning!
out
Finally!
20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Mexico Beach, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles.
The 60 was going off for everything.
Walton County, line to Mexico Beach, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 9:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along the line extending from 12 nautical
I
miles
knew this would
to
happen.
21
I was
nautical
in the
miles
bathroom,
south of
and I
Volusia,
knew as soon as my brother opened the door, there would be a warning.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Like, I knew
and
it.
Small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots.
I knew this would happen.
Frequent lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Mexico Beach, Port St. Joe, Empire Mica Wreck, Apalachicola, Cape San Blas, St. George Island, and Panama City Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following broadcast
You gotta be kidding me. No, it's Madison County.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Gadsden County in Big Bend of Florida, south central Decatur County in southwestern Georgia until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tallahassee, or 16 miles west of Quincy, moving east at 25 miles per
It's not
hour.
even close to us.
Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
Imagine if there's a tornado warning for
Chattahoochee,
Jackson County.
Greensboro,
And Gadsden at the same
Richmond,
time.
Douglas City, Mount Pleasant, Hardin Heights, Rosedale, Chaseville, Santa Clara, Hardaway, Sycamore, Quincy Airport, River Junction, and Jigs.
An alarm.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: in Decatur, Georgia.
Including the bottom. Okay, so I have my second.
The National Weather Service
On and go off.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grady County in southwestern Georgia, Thomas County in Georgia,
Magical
South
chair of
Central
signal.
Colquitt County
Do not
in
fail me.
until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:27 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ocklacknee, or near Cairo, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. And quarter-size cup.
Source: radar indicated. Impact:
Why didn't you
expect
go?
damage to roofs,
Am I gonna have to reset
siding,
you again?
and trees. Locations impacted include Cairo, Thomasville, Boston, Ocklacknee, Village, Thomasville Municipal Airport, Oak Ridge, Grady Company Airport, Cable, Audreyville.
Please don't make this a doubleheader, Tallahassee.
Eaton, Merrillville, Chastain, Dogville, Pine Park, Newark, and Pasco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Georgia, Grady, and Thomas. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern County
I
and
feel
Big Bend.
bad for those
Doctor
people.
Look at CJ. Oh, here it is.
If you just get like, if you get a 6.1 and 6
Darn it,
building,
it's still my 8th die.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Gadsden County in Big Bend of
Hey,
Florida,
southern.
northeastern Liberty County in Big Bend of Florida, southwestern Leon County in Big Bend of
Leon's
Florida
finally included.
until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Greensboro, Oregon, 12 miles southwest of Quincy, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Turn these
Hazard:
off
60 miles per hour.
at a time.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Midway, Quincy, Tallahassee, Lake Talquin, Andrew, Hosford, Gibson, Fort Braden, Tallahassee, Como Airport, Lowry, Atumka, Luxem, and Tallahassee Regional Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Florida: Gadsden, Leon, and Liberty.
Yeah, so we'll have to set it up. And I don't
Here we
want
go.
to play like
Tornado warning! Tornado warning from Gadsden County!
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Gadsden County in Big Bend of
Tornado warning for Gadsden County!
western Leon County in Big Bend of
Tornado warning for Leon County!
11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:19 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of
Curse
producing a tornado was
you.
located 7 miles southwest of the Midway, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
It just got bad! We got a tornado! Tornado warning!
Source, radar indicated rotation.
I gotta reset you again.
Debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Come here.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
I am resetting you again.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Midway around 11:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Talquin, Airport, Andrew, and Fort Braden.
He's okay,
Cover
Dad.
now.
He's okay.
It's a tornado warning, we're gonna die!
Interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home,
doesn't the
or
tornado
in a
warning
vehicle,
mean
move to the
the
closest
same one?
substantial shelter
Yes,
and protect yourself
basically.
from flying debris.
Like there's a turning funnel
Torrential
club about
rainfall
this
is
one.
occurring with this storm and may lead to
Does it
flash
tell us
flooding.
where it
Do
is?
not drive your vehicle through
It's in
flooded roadways.
southeastern Gadsden, so
Repeating, a
kinda
tornado
close to
warning has
us.
been issued until 11:45 a.m. Eastern
The
Standard
parents
Time for the
actually
following
need
counties
to be
in
worried
Florida,
because
Gadsden,
they'll,
and
text
Leon.
us to, get pets and get in the bathroom. You know.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Part of a tornado that spread to a different county.
Usually whenever a tornado
Another tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has
Gadsden
issued a
again.
tornado warning for southeastern Gadsden County
It's Gadsden
in Big
again.
Bend, Florida,
Southeast.
northwestern Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, southeastern Leon County in Big Bend, Florida, until noon Eastern Standard Time. At 11:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Midway, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
so this
and
ultimate
vehicles
lithium
will
is
occur.
dead.
Tree damage is likely.
I found the
This
dead ultimate
dangerous storm
lithium.
will be near Doak Kemble
Die.
Stadium around 11:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Florida
Now I've gotta find a new
Florida State
battery.
University around 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tallahassee around 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Oh, poop!
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lake Bradford, Ralford Greenway, Cody, Macon Community Park, Gaither Community Center, Lake Munson, Tallahassee Memorial Hut,
Hey!
8 Mile Pond, Thomas City, and Clear Estates. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior
mind.
room
No
on the
A.
lowest floor of a
This is
sturdy
almost
building.
dead.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall
Hey, this is
occurring
full.
with this storm
Let's go.
and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until noon Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Florida, Gadsden, Jefferson, and Leon. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for
I got another tornado warning!
Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida. Southeastern Leon County in Big Bend, Florida, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:50 a.m.
Aha, Jake Stitt. Oh yeah, I Jake Stitt. Oh yeah.
Florida A&M, or near Tallahassee, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows.
This
and
better not be a
vehicles will occur.
doubleheader.
Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Jefferson and southeastern Leon counties, including the following locations: Lake Bradford, Ralford Greenway, Cody, Gaither Community Center, Lake Munson,
But I also
Tallahassee
jinxed
Memorial
it.
House.
I said that there would be a tornado warning as soon as my dad got home, and it just
To
happened.
repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Oh yeah, I'll let you out as soon as it sends.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle,
not be a
move to the
doubleheader.
closest
Do not be a
substantial
doubleheader.
shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Florida, Jefferson, and Leon. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from
Okay, that was.
southeastern Gulf, western Gulf, southeastern.
Here we go. 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 Stop. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for north central Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, central Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, western Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Solomon, here we go.
At 12:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles south of Monticello, moving east at 40 miles per hour.
Why did you
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Tornado warning.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Tornado warning.
Tree damage is likely. This tornadic
I am.
thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north central Taylor, central Jefferson, and western Madison counties, including the following locations: Edo, Mosley Hall, F, Greenville, Lamar, Hopewell, Alberta, Cherry Ridge, Camps, and Hamburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may lead to tornado.
Forever.
Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Florida, Jefferson, Madison, and Taylor.
Oh my god. Literally, right after they joined it, literally right after you said Mama Luigi cheese, you literally just did PR.
Yeah.
What?
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachian Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklackney River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Ocklackney River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Swampy River to Keaton Beach, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 11:41 a.m. Central Standard Time, Severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles northwest of K-Tower to 6 nautical miles northeast of Empire like a wreck, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Crazy.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, sudden high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include
Buckeye Reef.
K-Tower, South Tower, V Tower, Empire Micro Wreck,
Tijuana
Appalachia,
canceled for
Ocean Beach,
Jefferson.
C Tower, St. George Island, and Marker 24
Okay.
March.
Thanks.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
What the heck? What the heck?
Animosity. Deep water. Moving.
Here we go. You turned it late.
The National Weather Service
You turned it late, Tallahassee.
issued a severe
You
thunderstorm
totally-
warning for
tell-
southeastern Madison County and Big Bend of Florida.
You
until
did- you
1:45
totally
p.m.
late.
Eastern Standard Time.
You turned it late.
At 12:54
Why?
p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Madison, moving east at 40 miles
Why
per
did we
hour.
go?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Beep.
Locations impacted
Beep
include
boop bop bop.
Greenville, Lee, Mosley Hall, and Hopewell. For your protection, move
The
to
best
the interior
is
roof
yeah,
on
yeah.
the lowest floor of a
Sturdy
building.
building.
Torrential rainfall is
Torrential
occurring with
rainfall
storm
is
and
dead.
may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle
Activate.
through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern
Done.
Standard Time for the following counties: Madison, Florida.
Hello.
The National
How dare you not detect the EOM tones?